What is Brave Browser and how does it work with BAT token? Most internet users go out of their way to avoid online advertisements by using different ad blockers. But what if you got paid to watch them? The creators of the privacy-centric Brave Browser have created a cryptocurrency called Basic Attention Token, or BAT, which you can earn by viewing ads. You already use a browser, so why not earn cryptocurrency from it too? But why are they paying us crypto to watch ads, and how does it work? This video will give you the answers to that question. Let's dive right in. Brave Browser is a crypto-powered privacy-first browser that by default prevents websites from tracking you. Brave's decision to launch a new browser in the existing market may appear to be a fool's errand. The market leader, Google Chrome, has approximately 2/3 of the global market share. Apple's Safari is in second place with 19%, while Mozilla's Firefox is in third place with 4%. Brave, on the other hand, believes that its emphasis on user privacy distinguishes it from its competitors. Brave was developed by Brendan Eich, the creator of JavaScript, who is also responsible for Firefox and co-founder of the Mozilla project. Its primary goal is to redefine how we think about browsing the web by blocking websites from tracking you and rewarding you with cold, hard crypto for watching the ads instead. That's right, by selecting to see anonymous, privacy-preserving adverts, Brave users may earn money in the form of Basic Attention Token, BAT. Users can watch these anonymous adverts before getting paid in BAT through the company's ad network, which launched in November 2019. The service is optional, and you are free to block and turn off all advertisements if you want. But we're getting ahead of ourselves. Let's back it up a bit and break this down for you. First and foremost, there's you, the user. Every day you probably go online for a variety of reasons: to consume content such as reading an article, viewing a video, or listening to a podcast, or to purchase and sell items and services, and to connect with friends, family, and co-workers. Then there are the publishers. The Brave browser is primarily concerned with content delivery websites, such as your favorite news site. Because it publishes content, the news site is referred to as a publisher. It may be more helpful to consider publishers as content creators. Last but not least, there are the advertisers. Publishers generate money by selling advertising space on their websites to brands to display advertisements. Brands pay for ad space on publishers' websites in the hopes that you'll notice their adverts while reading content and perhaps click on them to proceed with a purchase. With us so far? Good. Let's have a look at some of the problems with the existing advertising model. Problem 1. Speed. A server collects and transmits material to your computer when you visit a publisher to consume content. However, servers must also gather and transmit advertisements from advertising exchanges. This wastes time. On average, adverts take 5 seconds to load on a mobile device. And money. Up to 50% of your mobile bandwidth is used for ads and trackers, costing as much as $23 a month. Not to mention reducing your phone's battery life by as much as 21%. Problem 2. Safety. While you may not be aware of it, malicious advertisements are served alongside regular advertisements on the website you're visiting. Hackers can gain access to sensitive and important information stored on your computer, such as your name, address, date of birth, social security number, and credit card numbers, through malicious advertisements, also known as malvertisements. You don't even have to click on these malicious advertisements for them to obtain access to your personal information. Problem 3. Privacy. Publishers not only sell ad space on their platforms to marketers, but they also keep track of what you read on their site, usually by dropping a cookie. Publishers sell your unique profile to advertising exchanges, along with your computer's IP address, so they can give you better tailored adverts across all the websites you visit. If you have ever supplied your personal information to a publisher or buy or subscribe to material those ads exchanges, now have your true identity. All of these issues boil down to a single factor: cost. Cost of your time, privacy, and safety, which eventually translates to a cost of your hard-earned money. This existing paradigm has several flaws that are detrimental to both publishers and marketers. Advertising exchanges, for example, make a large amount, more than 70%, of publishers' advertising revenue in return for distributing such adverts on publishers' websites. Publishers also lose money when consumers use ad blockers, which are presently installed on over 600 million devices. Furthermore, advertisers have no way of knowing how successful their ads are unless a person clicks on them directly. Here's where Brave Browser comes into play. Brave removes advertising, malvertisements, and trackers by default, ensuring that your surfing experience is secure, private, and quick. They deliver for free if that's all you want or need. Because the Brave browser is based on Chromium, the open source software that runs Google Chrome, all of your favorite plugins and extensions will function as expected. All you have to do now is install Brave and begin browsing. However, there are other features on the Brave ecosystem that may benefit users, advertisers, and publishers even more. And now is the ideal time to discuss Basic Attention Token, or BAT, an Ethereum-based utility token related to the Brave browser. By actively opting in and choosing to see adverts, you may earn BAT tokens from advertisers. When the ad is served alongside the content you're viewing, the attention value for the ad or the amount of BAT you earn is calculated based on the amount of time the ad is visible in your active tab and the number of visible pixels of the ad in comparison to the number of pixels that make up the rest of the content of the page. Publishers get BAT tokens when you opt in to earn BAT tokens by seeing adverts, since their content got you to their website where the ads are presented in the first place. As a result, publishers are motivated to develop excellent content so that you may all profit together. The more time you spending watching their material and clicking on the commercials that accompany it, the more BAT they make. Another fantastic aspect of the Brave Browser BAT reward ecosystem is that you may tip your favorite publishers with BAT tokens on an ad hoc basis or contribute BAT regularly to thank them directly for providing you with amazing free content. Your browsing history is saved in Brave and never leaves your browser. That means no information about your activities or your identity is shared with anybody else. Instead, Brave utilizes machine learning within the browser to decide which advertisements to show you from a pool of ads provided by Brave's partners. This profile is always local to your browser, ensuring that your activity remains private and you may erase it at any moment. You might be wondering, why should we bother with BAT when we can just use dollars? Privacy is the answer. To engage in the Brave ecosystem and earn, tip, or give fiat cash like dollars, you must provide your identity and financial information. Transactions on the Ethereum blockchain are public with BAT, but your identity is secret. The user, content producers, and brands can all cohabit online in a safe, private, and mutual beneficial environment with BAT and the Brave web browser.